Hi, in this video we will see how to use custom function component. There are several components inbuilt in the pipeline builder. However, if you want any different functionality by using Python function, you can do so by using custom function component. In the custom function, you can specify Python program to achieve a desired task. In the pipeline builder, drag the custom function component on canvas. Here you can specify the Python program in the value part. In output mapping, you can collect a result as response. Or if you want to use the output for next component, you can use session. For the sake of tutorial, I have created a pipeline. In this pipeline, I am extracting the text from a large document. Create chunks or groups of data. And with the help of custom Python function, I am adding some logical block to it. In this example in the function code, I am writing this Python function. There are some predefined statements that you must write when writing the Python function. For these statement structures, please refer a call function documentation. Here in this tutorial, I am collecting these chunks from the chunk text component, and then I am adding ID and document name to that function code. To that chunk, I am appending that chunk into result, and I am returning the result. In output mapping, I am collecting this result in the doc chunks variable as I need these doc chunks for further processing. I am using session.